In this video, we are going to learn how to, use ChatGPT on our MacBook M1. So first, open your system settings and go to Apple Intelligence. As you can see here, and you need first to have Apple Intelligence down, working on your laptop. If it's not working or it's disabled, then you can't use this functionality of ChatGPT. So first, open this, download that. If you are able to use that, then you see this kind of extension option. If you are not enable it, then you won't see that. So now in order to use it in our laptop, we just need to click here, and now we need to set up. Click here. As you can see, it's saying all the things that you need to know. Click next, enable. Now we need to sign in. So as you can see it here, so you have an Apple ID, you can do with that. You can also do with a Google account. So I will go with the Google email ID, whatever email ID that you are using, just put it there. So as you can see that we have put our ID, and it's saying that oops, an error occurred. So we need to try again. Okay. If you just wait for a couple of times, it might not work. So again, we cut it here. We go to system settings, Apple Intelligence, click here, sign in, again with a Google ID, then the ID that you are going to use. Okay, I put in that ID. Just wait for a few seconds, and you can see that we have logged in. This is my ID. Now we can use it, ChatGPT on our laptop. So let's see how we can just use that. So we're gonna use it here, notes. Let's see. Select all of them. And as you can see here, like writing tools, you see all of that. Okay, this is like compose, and here we can use like make it easy to read. Okay, it's all happening with the ChatGPT. Okay, so it's not that Apple Intelligence is doing, it's a ChatGPT. So as you can see that that's how we got our result. That's how it's written. Okay, if you go to Command and Z, we can go back as we were. So like that, you can use it in many places. As we can see here in the writing tools, we can use it here in a compose, and for other things I'm not sure about it. You can figure it out yourself, and you can check it out how to use it. Let's see if in a image playground we can use it or not. Just let's see. Let me go like here the options like correct one. Okay, now as you can see, the styles are here, and I'm not saying any options that I can just choose like ChatGPT that I can use it. So I'm not seeing it. So you can just do that way, and whatever features it have, you can just figure out. You can also go to system settings and check if it's written somewhere that what features it have. If it was good, if it's written, if not, even then it's good. So simply it's saying that write correct images, answer question, and use more. Okay, but it's not said how to do it. Okay, so you can use this ChatGPT, and that's how you're gonna enable it on your device. But always remember that when you are enabling that ChatGPT extension, if you disable Apple Intelligence, then it will not show if you not download it. Okay, let's see what happens if I disable it. If I disable it, as you can see that the ChatGPT option, it's no longer here. So you need to enable that, only then you can use the ChatGPT option. I hope that settings are, you see the settings are here. So that's how you can use ChatGPT on your MacBook M1. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.